Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about, can I trust NorthOne with my business funds? NorthOne is a financial technology company, not a traditional bank. This means they partner with an FDIC-insured bank, the Bancorp Bank, N.A., to provide their banking services. This partnership is key because it means your deposits are insured by the FDIC up to the standard $250,000 limit per depositor. This offers a significant level of security for your money. So, while you're not banking directly with a traditional bank, the underlying protection is there. Beyond the insurance, let's look at some key features. NorthOne offers a business checking account that's designed for small businesses and freelancers. It has features like the envelopes budgeting tool to help you set money aside for specific expenses like taxes and payroll. The platform also integrates with many popular business tools like QuickBooks and Shopify. On the other hand, there are some things to consider. As a digital-only service, NorthOne has no physical branches. This can be a downside if you prefer in-person banking. While they do accept cash deposits through a third-party service, there's a fee involved. Some user reviews also mention occasional issues with the mobile app and check deposit hold times. Customer support is available via live chat, email, and scheduled phone calls, but there is no general support number to call. In summary, NorthOne provides a legitimate and secure option for your business funds due to its FDIC insurance. It's a good choice if you're comfortable with digital-first banking and want a modern platform with budgeting and integration tools. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.